I guess I see something like that. Oh my God.
That is a yolk
I
sac.
have absolutely no idea what I'm looking at.
Well, there's no embryo. It's too soon. Well, there's probably an embryo, but you can't see it. That's the yolk sac, that ring.
Mm-hmm.
And then you see the darker white or the brighter
Yeah,
white.
yeah.
That's the placenta.
Uh-huh.
And then this white is my lining. And he said, you know, you can see how thick it is.
Uh-huh. Okay.
You couldn't even see the thing, could you?
No, I knew what it was. I was like, this is different. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Back
Ruger.
all day.